Divine invitation. Commit your work to the Lord, and your plans will be established. Proverbs 16, verse 3. Think about that for a second. You're not here by accident. You clicked on this video because somewhere deep down, you know there's something more to your content, something with purpose. But maybe, like many creators, you've hit a wall. Videos that flop, thumbnails that don't click, scripts that feel soulless. Hey, I get it. The good news? You don't have to carry the burden alone. What if I told you that AI, the same technology that powers billion-dollar industries, can also unlock your creativity, align your content with your values, and actually make this whole YouTube thing feel like a calling? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know the secrets of faceless content creation, but you'll see why it's your duty, yes, your sacred duty, to share your voice with the world. And if that resonates with you, go ahead, like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to create with purpose. All right, ready? Let's begin. 2:15, Chapter 1. Choosing your niche, your digital dharma. Before David faced Goliath, he chose 5 smooth stones. He didn't just grab anything. He selected with intention. That's how you choose your niche. And let's be real, hopping on the latest trend because it might go viral is like throwing random pebbles and hoping to slay a giant. Instead, I want you to think of your niche as your dharma, your soul's purpose in the digital world. Now, if you're unsure what that is, here's a quick spiritual hack. Ask yourself, what topics light you up? What problems have you solved that others still struggle with? What could you talk about for hours, even without a camera rolling? And then let AI step in as your guide. Tools like vidIQ and ChatGPT can reveal what the world is already searching for. The questions people ask, that's digital prayer. Every Google search is a longing for answers. So why not be the answer? Chapter 1. Choosing your niche, your digital dharma. Before David faced Goliath, he chose 5 smooth stones. He didn't just grab anything. He selected with intention. That's how you choose your niche. And let's be real, hopping on the latest trend because it might go viral is like throwing random pebbles and hoping to slay a giant. Instead, I want you to think of your niche as your dharma, your soul's purpose in the digital world. Now, if you're unsure what that is, here's a quick spiritual hack. Ask yourself, what topics light you up? What problems have you solved that others still struggle with? What could you talk about for hours, even without a camera rolling? And then let AI step in as your guide. Tools like vidIQ and ChatGPT can reveal what the world is already searching for. The questions people ask, that's digital prayer. Every Google search is a longing for answers. So why not be the answer? Chapter 2. AI script writing as spiritual practice. Here's something most creators miss. Writing a script with AI isn't cheating. It's collaborating. Think of it like the monks of old, copying sacred texts by candlelight. They didn't invent the wisdom, but they preserved it. AI helps you do the same. Here's how. Start with intention. Instead of asking ChatGPT, write a video script about dogs. Ask something deeper. Help me write a heartfelt script where golden retrievers teach us about unconditional love. Make it gentle, peaceful, and inspiring, like a Psalm 23 meditation. Review with discernment. Not everything AI generates will resonate. That's where your human spirit comes in. Edit with intention. Keep what uplifts. Discard what doesn't. Offer it up. Before you hit export, pause. Reflect. Offer your work as a gift, a digital act of service. Because trust me, someone out there needs a message only you can share. Chapter 3. The Art of Thumbnails. Crafting Visual Parables. A thumbnail is more than a flashy image. It's a visual parable. Think of Jesus' stories. Simple, vivid, and impossible to forget. Your thumbnail should work the same way. Too boring? No one clicks. Too clickbaity? They click, but they leave. Just right? They stay. They watch. They grow. Here's a simple formula. The structure, Father, use a rule of thirds. Create natural balance. The emotions, Son, focus on eyes. Humans connect with eyes, even on a thumbnail. The mystery, Holy Spirit, add a hint of the unexpected, a glowing effect, a question, something that sparks curiosity. You know? Now, as you design, ask yourself, does this thumbnail honor the story I'm about to tell? If it does, You're on the right path. If you're finding value in this video, please subscribe, like, and share. We'd love to hear your comments. Chapter 4, Analytics Without Anxiety. Let's talk analytics. Views, watch time, CTR, numbers that can make or break your day. But here's a question no one asks. What if your data wasn't just numbers, but lessons? Low CTR? Maybe the story wasn't clear. High watch time? You connected. You served. Few comments? Maybe it's time to invite more conversation. Treat your analytics like a spiritual mirror, not for judgment, but for growth. And remember, you're not here to chase numbers. You're here to fulfill your calling. The eternal upload. Your video is uploaded, but the moment you release it, let it go. Jesus said, "Whoever loses their life for my sake will find it." Matthew 10, verse 39. Release the need for validation. Release the fear of failure. Because your duty isn't to control the outcome. It's to create with faith. And if this video brought you clarity or even a little peace, make it your duty to share it. Someone out there needs it. Like, subscribe, share. Because when one creator rises, we all rise. But you know what? I'm not dying. I'm on a roll. So what do you say? You want more? I'm going to give it to you. Because here at the Speakers Creator Hub, we don't just talk the talk. We give you more bang for your buck, more shout for your holler. And guess what? We're not even charging you a dime. It's always free. That's right. Free knowledge, free tools, free wisdom. All we ask, like, subscribe, share. That's it. Pass the blessing along. Because somebody out there needs this just as much as you do. And speaking of blessings, after this, my brother gave you 4 more chapters, loaded with insight to turn your content from just another video into something with soul, purpose, and dare I say, a little divine intervention. You ready? Let's go. Chapter 1. Finding your niche, the right path for you. Your work is to discover your work, and then with all your heart to give yourself to it. Buddha. All right, first question. What's your niche? And don't say I don't know, because I promise you do. You just might not have seen it yet. Let's break it down. What's something you could talk about all day without getting bored? What do people always ask your advice on? What's that one thing you research in your free time, just because you love it? Got something in mind? Good. Now, what if I told you your niche is hiding right there? You don't have to follow every viral trend. That's a losing game. Instead, align with what you naturally care about. But hey, if you're still stuck, here's a pro tip. Let AI do the digging for you. Try ChatGPT. Ask it, what are trending YouTube niches in my areas of interest? Use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy. They'll show you what people are searching for. It's like finding gold, except instead of a pickaxe, you've got algorithms working for you. So what's your niche? Drop it in the comments. Seriously, I want to know. And if you're still thinking it through, don't worry, we've got more to cover. Onward. Chapter 2. AI as your creative partner, not the enemy. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Buddha, AI is a tool for the present. A way to create without overthinking or doubting. Trust your instincts, use the tech, and stay in the moment. That's where the best content is born. Okay, next question. Be honest. Are you afraid AI is going to take over content creation? I get it. AI is powerful. It can write scripts, generate ideas, even edit your videos. But here's the truth. AI is a tool. It's not your competition. It's your partner. Think of it like this. Michelangelo had chisels. Shakespeare had quills. You've got AI, but you still control the vision. Here's how you make AI work for you, not against you. Step 1. Get specific with your prompts. Don't just say, write me a video script. Be clear. Say, I'm making a motivational video for new creators struggling with burnout. Give me a 5-minute script that uses uplifting language and real-world examples. Step 2. Edit like a pro. AI's first draft isn't gospel. It's a rough sketch. You're the artist. Rewrite what doesn't resonate. Add your voice. That's where the magic happens. Step 3. Inject your personality. your tone, your humor, your quirks. That's what people connect with. AI can't replicate you. So let it lay the foundation, but build the house yourself. Now be honest. Have you used AI for your content yet? And if not, why not? Drop a comment. Let's talk about it. Chapter 3. Thumbnails that stop the scroll. With our thoughts, we make the world. Buddha. And with your thumbnails, you create the first thought your viewer has about your video. Make it count. Visual storytelling isn't just a trick, it's a gift. I've got a question for you. When was the last time you clicked on a video just because the thumbnail caught your eye? Exactly. Thumbnails are the front door to your content. And if yours looks like a do not disturb sign, nobody's clicking. But don't worry, I've got a simple formula that works. The 3 E's of thumbnails. Expression faces sell. If your content has a human element, show that. Emotions are magnetic. Element, what's a visual story? Even faceless content can have powerful imagery. Think bold text, eye-catching symbols, or dramatic contrast. Energy, colors matter. Blue calms. Red excites. Yellow grabs attention. Match the vibe of your video. And hey, AI's got your back here too. Tools like Canva and Photor can generate thumbnail ideas based on your theme. Just tweak it to make it yours. So now, let me ask you, which of your thumbnails are working and which ones need a glow up? Comment below. And if you're brave, drop a link to your latest video. Let's see what you got. Chapter 4, Analytics without the anxiety. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. Buddha. Analytics are just numbers. They don't define your worth or the value of your voice. Learn from them, but don't let them rule your peace. Real success? That comes from within. All right, last one. How often do you check your analytics? Be real. Every hour? Every time you get a new notification? Or maybe not at all because they stress you out? Look, I get it. Analytics can feel like a constant judgment day. But here's a mindset shift for you. Analytics are not a grade. They're a guide. Low views? Maybe your title didn't hook people. Short watch time? Maybe the first 30 seconds need more punch. Low CTR? Time for a thumbnail refresh. It's not failure. It's feedback. And feedback is fuel. But here's the kicker. You don't have to obsess. Set specific times to check your analytics. Once a week is enough for most creators. Then, log off. Live your life. Because the best ideas come when you're not staring at numbers. They come when you're living. Now tell me, what's one number in your analytics you're curious about? CTR? Watch time? Audience retention? Drop it in the comments, and let's figure out together. And if this video has helped you so far, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share. That's your duty. Not just to me, but to your fellow creators. Help them rise. Because when we rise together, man, the sky is not even the limit. I'll see you in the comments.